Welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Tina. And joining Tina is Marcia. And basically, Tina is speaking about 13 and Majesty, which is Kris. Also, Marcia have interjected Donna in the mix as well. And they spoke about Kris, 13, and Donna. And they had a lot to say. And basically, they're talking about, the exposure. They're saying that, they knew that this day would have come and they would have been able to speak about it. And they're saying that a lot more things will be coming out. And Marcia was also saying that Donna, things will be revealed about her pretty soon. So, guys, you're going to have to go over, catch the video now, and watch it on your own. Hear what they have to say with your own ears. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell up top so that when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you lots of prosperity and peace and joy beyond measure. Also, I wish you all that your heart desires today. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, my friends, my subscribers, whoever you may call me, do have yourselves a beautiful day today. Catch your video, watch it, like, share, comment. Have a great one.
.com. Yes, man. Look at thief in drunk or ya only TikTok mix up. Rotted. TikTok mix up. Can you imagine? This local scammer man tell be a lie upon me for scam the people them cause him asleep in the back of him shop. Eh? Sleeping at the big business owner asleep in the back of him shop. Make it make sense and then I come and trouble me, a small business. What me do to him? And I come and trouble Marcia and Maxine. I call her homeless, broke and hungry and all sort of something. No, the whole of there I feel nasty, Ross. Big up yourself, Marcia. I know you never see this day come, but big up your damn self. 857-209. I want to take Marcia so long for call. Marcia, come on, man. Take off them long nails there and call me. I want to take you so long for call, Marcia. Come on, man. Yeah, wait until the live done for calling. Yeah, wait until the live done. 857-209. You can play some more. Pants mouth, you're there wicked and trouble me every day. Every day you come out and trouble me. RT boss, big up yourself. You over here trouble. You over there trouble me pants mouth. Pants mouth, you over there trouble me. You're living at the back of your shop. Nah, nothing, no money, nah, nothing. Nah, no money. This is for you, pants mouth. This is for you on 13, the land crab. Pants mouth. You're living at the back of your shop. Pants mouth? Warm to that.
RT boss, fling some in a Tina cash up, man. You're on the live, laugh. Fling something in the cash up, please.
Say it again,
come
make
on,
it hear.
RT boss. Big up yourself, RT, but we see you, but we want something that is Zell or the cash up, all right?
Say it again, say it again, say it again. You hear that, RT boss? Big up yourself. You understand? RT boss, big up yourself. The cash up, rum cake club. Big up yourself, RT boss. Yeah? Yeah, man. Big up yourself. May I get goosebumps here upon my life still, because I never expect you upon my life, because you know where I come from far, right? All right. You know know that, right, Auntie? Big up your damn self, yeah? Sonny Bell, big up yourself. Thanks to Peace and Love. Thank you, Peace and Love. I appreciate it. Yeah, man, this is a day. This is a day. This is a day. You know how much business this boy make me lose because me have to come out here and go on with myself all the time. This is the day me I get emotional just I think about it soon and give me the pretty screen them. Let me tell you, man, me is not an extroverted type of person when it comes on to my struggles. Me kind of keep it in, because I feel like say if you're gonna tell people and them can't help you, it no make no sense to tell them if them can't help you. You know what I'm saying? So when me do, me carry my struggles them. Me just carry my struggles them regardless. You understand me? You get me? But deal with my struggles them. The boy come out and tell people not support my business. Dirty 13 troll me and all them things there. You understand me? Come on now. I'm just try to make a bread for myself. Not a few dirty pants mouth. You go over TikTok and try bully people. I try go like you're nice people. You're not nice somebody. You know nice. Dirty pants mouth. You understand me? Big up on the damn self. Big up TikTok Mixup. I'm going to say Marcia, reality. I don't know what's going on, but my phone not registered. 857-20. Just store me first. 857-1857 209-6095. 1-857-209-6095. That's the number. That's the number to call. Just save me under Marian or whatever, and then you just save me in a WhatsApp and you will find me. Because if you can't save me under that, you can't save me under that. You understand? This is the day that the Lord has made. Yes, man. Yes, man. It's sweet, my man. Duck, dirty, drunk, crap, and smoke. Sweet me. Where you start my for and smoke? Where you start my for? And that I want to know. You hear you say? You say from house to house. Not house to flower bag. Not house to back. Okay, there you go. There you go. Big up yourself, Marcia. Where you say? Talk to the live now. Express yourself. Laugh, Marcia.
Good. We have to laugh at today. Good morning to the people, our members only.
Good morning, Marcia.
Yes, big up on yourself. Well, I am so excited for all when me see you go on out here.
Big up yourself.
Because me already predict this Ross in a long time.
Yeah, you did.
You see the thing about it with these people. If you notice with you and I, all them speak about us that we don't have nothing and we not this and that. You ever look at these people and you realize in yourself all these people are falling.
Look by little. It a broke up, Marcia. We are weird feet for
people.
Go ahead.
We know from beginning that these people never have nothing really.
Yeah, we did know.
They were just living on hedge, credit card, and body pass. We know that. And this is a learning lesson for a lot of these bloggers out here to be them original self and stop following behind shit. You understand? Stop be them own self and stop following about people who can't take them no places, because all of these bloggers who are coming on social media trace me and you. Them don't have nothing.
Yeah.
And them can't share them video, because if them share Majesty video or Donna video, them strike them.
Them strike them and take away food out of them mouth.
What is the sense of following them and taking up for them and them not benefit off of them people here?
And me never strike them yet, Me never strike.
Me never strike them either. And on my content and for your contents them use every day.
Every day. I'm going to strike them.
Well, I am here to tell these people, I have said there is more left to come. There is more left to come. It's what if you live in a glass house, not your stone.
Yeah.
All me can tell us, Tina, continue to be yourself.
You
and
too,
defend
Marcia.
yourself. Me not make nobody boy come out and go on like bigger than me.
Yeah.
And me not make no ghetto girl come on social media 5 years when media almost 20 years. And come here come go on like they want to run the high and high off of social media. Me living in this country for 42 years and me no own a house and me no want no blood clot house. My pussy is my house. You understand? And it's to take care of me, to spend on myself and travel. So anybody want to come cuss me, tell them if you go live them life, if you go show them birthday party. Just as how me show my birthday party the other day. It's a big deal. Me rent out a place that cost much $1,000. Me spend for myself. And you go and tell me say my party flop when me enjoy myself. When right now one of my video almost reach 100,000.
Yeah, I'm
Eh?
come there, come
And
dance
like
and
some of them
wind
are
up
party for
myself.
50,000, 70,000, and me enjoy myself, and you can't show yourself a party. Some of them broke no blood clot right now and can't even pay their rent.
I live in
And
a
coming
store
about
back.
talking about me, live in your means. Be your own individual self. America is a very tough place. And no girl from Jamaica or anybody, wherever you come from, can't come tell, because guess what? We live in this country and we set a foundation. We have with taxes, we have with social security for benefit. Them come a foreign, them not even a penny in the social security department.
Yeah, we have social
So
security for get.
how you going to talk about people who invest them whole life here in America and have them benefit, and me and you can't go in anywhere right now and get things. Donna can't get certain things because she me know say before she come here she have to get affidavit support, and she can't get certain benefits as yet. She not qualified.
We put in 40 quarters already. Don't Marcia.
Exactly.
We put in for social
So how you gonna
security.
come on social media and go on, son? Listen to me. Done them up.
Yes.
Done them up. If the Majesty can do one ras, film little whatever courthouse business, where it up a reach.
No way. But I
come
found
out
some
and
of
come
that.
do you.
I found some of that. Look how much things him come out here. I found some of
Where
that.
I do? And them a little idiot, big crutch girl. Over there, I done me and you for all these people on social media. And them don't have nowhere to live. Most of them up here call people about roach and this and that. And them have roach in the house. Them live in a furnished room.
And
They can't even get to take a vacation. Some of them we are chat, them don't even know Queens. Them stuck at Brooklyn and Bronx for their whole life and don't even know Queens. Not even New Jersey, they never been. So how they gonna be talking about people?
I don't know. Crazy.
They have to understand they are Facebook bully. They only can stay behind closed door and chat all kind of fuckery, you know. But in reality, they're living like a dog.
Exactly.
Look how them come on social media and talk about me, and look how me look like a blood clot Queen Elizabeth. Look how me look at me poor.
Yeah, glow.
And them claim to send me homeless, and them can't walk in my raw shoes.
And then, yeah, glow, Marcia. You can't see the glow in you.
So if me homeless, all the bumbo clap me keep a $7,000 party there.
How
much them things they come up to? How much if me can keep a $7,000 party, and that doesn't include hotel and gas to come from kind to cut and this and that. All the rascal them out me say homeless and them want the money there to go pay your bills.
Big up yourself,
you tell
Marcia.
me. So me a talk about who people. How the rascal who not go tell me no, cause me call me stagnant and who not have the money to spend for a party. Without hesitation. You tell me now.
Him feel left out of the housing trend. Him want buy a house to come show off bedroom and all them something to come show off on social media. Because that's all that concern him is showing. Show and
Majesty, listen to me. Where you are going with Majesty, and this is a real talk from Marcia Everbless, so you know say me not give a fuck.
Yeah.
You have to realize this is America. Yeah. And you know say Donald Trump already done ban Batman already long time when he come in the presidency. You used to come over here and take this Batman business and talk about say rights and whatever. Donald Trump cut off all of them the bumble clock rights, you know. So what are you going to cuss Tina Chin with and say you can say them a trouble when you call them have the rights now, you know? And I don't have no discrimination against the body where they want to do them sexual orientation, and that doesn't have to do with me. But you see Majesty not go on too much. You was too show off. Every minute you take plane.
Yeah.
Every minute you take plane to show off on Tina Chin. Every minute you in a Marriott hotel. You know how much a Marriott hotel? And he have to pay some of the money because I am a hotel person when I go home and I travel. And even if he's on body pass, he's only allowed like 3-4 days on a discount.
Yeah.
So if he spend a week or two, he have to pay regular money.
Yeah.
Where is that money coming from? So I'm telling you,
that's why I'm a move from hotel to
I am an executive in Marriott.
That's why I'm a move from hotel to hotel.
We go around the world. I get special treatment. I get upgrade to the biggest room, and I check out at 4 p.m.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's why I move from hotel to hotel.
They only allow 2 to 3 days of the discount.
That's why I move from hotel to hotel.
It's if him pay 1 week or whatever. So why spend up all those money, all these 2 years in a competition with Donna just to show up on Tina and there's people on social media, and now you have your business coming out on social media and talking like that.
Yeah.
And that you have to go for GoFund. How are you so successful in your business, baking all them beautiful cake? And you have to come America come sell cake to Tina country.
In my country and try to tear me down in the process.
That not look good. Why would you come all the way from England to carry cake, travel how much 4 or 5 hours to come to England, to come from England, to come here in
7
America
hours
to sell cake, and you brag upon people.
7 hours. 7 hours, Marcia.
So,
7 and
how
a
is that,
half
Majesty?
hours. 7
And
and a
why
half.
is it all the time? It is only woman alone. You're cursing on social media, and you can't curse nobody else.
Nobody else him can curse.
So when is this bullshit is going to stop? Because Donna don't care nothing about you. Because if the way Donna hate me and hate Tina Chin, I wanna say Donna a millionaire. Tell me the God Almighty truth. Donna should not take up a blood clot $11,000 game.
Should I tell
me the God Almighty truth, people?
Yeah.
If I Marcia Campbell was a friend and you a boss and a go on say your sister and say my so somebody me would have draw 11,000 and say listen to me, use it and when you sell the cake again back, me wouldn't have to go for it. This is blood clot embarrassment for your majesty. This is a big embarrassment.
And I tell
you people have to stop soliciting poor people.
And then Marcia him tell people say him send him cake them as gift because him no want pay customs to avoid paying customs. Or him expose himself like that.
But that is what people does when they're doing extortion and them doing all kind of bullshit and them sending stuff to foreign country, trading money. That's what them always do. Them always say a gift. Them send it for when it's not gift. And sending packages. That's their thing, what them do. But this is a prime example, Majesty. Okay. And trust me, you see that one Donna there too? You Donna me a chat to come, you know you ever listen to me. You see you soon get where Majesty get to. Your blood clot secret soon bust out too.
Yes,
because me I tell her from last year, she have a lot of confession to do. I'm telling you right now. Jesus. She have a lot of confession to do. She have come out here and ball. The other day got in a beat her a little bit, you know, but she's very disobedient. But a time will come, she have to reveal herself. I'm telling you. Then me ask a question, people. Does Donna look happy too, no?
Lord of mercy.
Don't she look like a little wild boar? Look what she says she come from. Look on the piece of hole here where she have on her head. Jesus. The big fluffy ear. Like mine, yeah. With that the big round face where she have look like a pudding pan.
Like my area where I have on the Nigerian wig where I have on I go on
she look like somebody happy too, no? It look like so she want a good stiff piece of her ass dick. That's what I must say that she want. She must look at that. Me not go to Jamaica, sit down and come from foreign. How is it that this woman is better than us? And this woman sit down half in her veranda every day. Or do you know how she better than we? What is she doing?
I don't know.
Me not even say she got Jamaica doing a volunteer service. No. Me not say she gone away. She said she signed contract with Ras Pudding. She not supposed to have name no pudding. She have Jamaica name pudding. What kind of pudding she need be name? She not supposed to taste nothing. Give her workers them for taste and people. She not supposed to have no Ras Pudding in her mouth.
Oh, Jesus.
For this area. So you tell me now. So we supposed to come on social media and take bullshit from them, the people, the riffraff people, eh? No. Are you crazy?
No.
And me they want to come on social media, come slander for a dish towel, blood clot girl like that. No, they mad?
Sir.
When, are you kidding me? No, she have to be involved in this because the whole of them are passy. That's why I bring her up.
Oh.
She have to be involved with this because she set on things.
Remember, I know
she not get where we want her.
As she help advertise 13 too, you know. As she help build 13 too. I tell 13, people to go over there go watch her.
Nobody should never be answering to 13.
13
is in the bottomless pit.
She's worse 13, than anybody.
You are a riffraff. You is a compulsive gambler. You know, live nowhere Coruscant. You're poor or whatever you know her name. You're poor. You have to come on social media, come depend on these poor ass non-emancipated Negroes. When they have nothing themselves. You have to realize that you coming and defending them. Why you are defend a batty man? Why you defend a man who a class woman? But I can understand why she do those things. Because these people don't have no self-esteem. They're poor. So they might be depend on a little US dollar to change or to take care of themselves. Oh. You understand? Because they're not making no money.
Wow.
So you're telling me 13, so you're coming and cussing me and Tina Chin. And as far as I'm concerned, and what I've heard on social media since I've been here, since your run away from Jamaica, you haven't been back?
Mm-mm. 20 odd years.
Your son died and you couldn't go down, you couldn't go to the funeral.
20 odd years.
How are you coming on social media and talking about people who have American passport for traveling anywhere in the world?
In a real life. Make that make sense.
I mean, what is that? How is that? How are you going to talk about people who have money more than you, or sleep better than you, and live better than you? You have to stop it. You have to embrace woman.
Like she have
to
cocky
stop
between
follow
her
man who
legs.
can't push out no baby through them crack, through them bite. Where the more care baby go? Where are they going to carry the baby? Why is it that you woman coming up here taking from man who come a class woman? Me not busy with nobody and them what they want to do with them sex, you know. But them fi stay in them lane. Have respect for woman. Because we care them coming to the world. Have respect for woman. Woman is very special. You have to realize, say, no, Eve take down the garden of Eden, you know. So you know, say woman will always be there. If it wasn't for Eve, defy God and go give Adam the fruit to eat, the body wouldn't come necessarily, because we have to realize that the two of them make all out of this human being from generation to generation. So why is these women are so low in themselves that them have to come on social media cuss another woman for a man who don't have no respect? And the thing about it, there's no loyalty out here. Because by next year you can see 13 and Majestic mash up.
Them